Alright guys, today on my home garage, purely cosmetic. We're gonna remove the entire back panels. So I'm gonna remove all these panels off because we need to remove the rear bumper anyways because it is scuffed up and we have a replacement one. So I'm gonna remove everything right now and we're gonna go from there. Okay, so remove every panel that can come off by hand. There we go. These just slide out. There's one. Next side. These literally just, there's a tab here. Just be gentle with it. That's it. That's it. A little bit of force. Look at this, dirty. Some foam in here. So I am gonna go in here. And I'll tell you why. Because this car has an odor. And the odor this car has is not pleasant. Horrible. Hold this in. Check it out. Very easy. Okay, so I'm going to remove all these foam pads that inside. Keep each thing to each side, the appropriate side it's supposed to be on. Okay. The seal for this has to be pulled back because you're going to access the... So we just do this. Okay. That's it. Headlights come off. You just pull back. You can get something like this and you jam it in the back of the light. And then you unplug it. This goes behind the lens of the light, between the body. Gently pry. Okay. So now we're mostly disconnected. The bolts for the bumper are in there, 1 and 2. So 2 bolts here and 2 bolts on this side, and we're ready to come out. Something else that has to be addressed is you have to remove these here. See how the bumper is connected right here? Lift, so I'm doing this. 1, 2, 3. Pull this back. 4. Okay, so now your bumper is loose on this side. Repeat the process on the following side. Okay, so now we just have to remove our 4 nuts that are behind there. They're 10mm nuts. There's one. So you don't want to lose them. 1. 2. This side. 1. 2. All right. 5. It's an extra. Let's see. What's this for? DVD player, I'm assuming. Okay. Okay, now there's just these tabs that pull out. There you go. Rear bumper's out. Here we are. Bumper's out. This might have been a used bumper at some point as well. Oh, sorry guys. So anyways, this is what it looks like. Clean all this up. Put our new bumper in. I'm gonna go get it right now. Alright. We're removing this now. The cover just sits in here. It's an opportunity to clean all this shit you'll never get again. Oh, what is this? it fits in. And that's the only place you have to worry about lining up. The outside. The inside is held on by one of these. Same idea. Something I didn't do on the other video. And now just repeat the process on the other side and you're done. So here's the replaced bumper without all those dents in it. Looks a lot better. The color matches. Junkyard for next to nothing. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that, the rear bumper and pretty much how to take apart the rear interior, clean everything up, make everything fresh and new again, hit the subscribe button. And now I'm going to steam clean the interior, so